Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to pay yourself legally as an employee. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are starting to generate some profits from their business and just want to go ahead and actually put themselves on payroll. So make sure to do your own research though. This video's information shouldn't be construed as financial or legal advice, but let's go ahead and get started. Now the program or software that I actually use to pay myself legally as an employee is Gusto. So Gusto is a payroll HR benefits tool. It's very easy to use. I think I pay around like $45 a month for it, and I've been using it for over 4 years now. I basically set it and forget it, and I barely ever check on it except when I need my tax forms. So if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in the description in order to get $100 once you run your first payroll. But once you click on the link down below, simply click on create an account and you're going to reach a page that looks like this here. You're just going to fill out the information here and then click on create an account again. So after you create an account, it's going to ask you to create your company profile. This is just a series of questions. Just answer yes or no. For this question here, it's asking who is your company planning to pay with Gusto. Just select myself. And then after you fill out those questions, you're going to reach this page here. So this is the simple plan and it's only $46 a month. This is the plan that I'm on and it allows unlimited payrolls in one state. You can access your W-2s and 1099s for insurance or tax purposes. You get basic insights and reporting, and you also get basic support. So if everything here looks good, just click on confirm and set up. Now under pay and under run payroll, there's 3 more things that you might need to do. The first thing is you need to add your payroll details. So click on continue here. And then from this page on the left hand side, you just need to fill out your addresses, your federal tax info, your filing address, your bank account, your pay schedule, and your signatory. So once that's filled out, let's go ahead and go back. The next thing that you need to do is create your own profile. So add your employment details so you can pay yourself with Gusto. So click on continue, and then you just need to fill out some basic information here. So this is a dummy account that I've created. So fill out the basic information and then insert your compensation here. At the bottom here, do you have a special tax exemption status? Usually this is no, but that varies from person to person. And then click on save and continue. So under employee info, it's just asking for personal details like your home address and your social security number. Fill that out and then click on save and continue. Next, under tax elections or federal tax withholdings, try to fill this out to the best of your ability and then click on save and continue again. Now, if we go back to the same page we were at before under run payroll, you need to fill out your state tax details. So this varies from person to person depending on which state that they're in. So under share state tax details, click on let's do it. And then I just selected Massachusetts as an example. Fill out the information that's prompted and then click on save and continue again. So once that's all set up, that should be the way to actually go ahead and legally pay yourself as an employee. By using Gusto, you'll be able to retrieve your tax documents such as your W-2s. Maybe you need some pay stubs or maybe you need like your wages and compensation sheet. But with Gusto, it can all be provided by using this platform. So if you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.